it's been a long wait. We've been going since early August. We've managed to get 2 away games in. It was disappointing we couldn't play the first 2 games. So all the players are ready, and when we came back yesterday from Infal, everybody was excited and happy to be here, and with the banners and everything going up, there's a real excitement, and we just can't wait to get home and play in front of our home fans again. And I think, Chennai, obviously the league, current league champions, very difficult team to play against. But we've been successful against them before, and we just need to make sure we do the same things and try and outwork our opponents. It's a new season. Whatever happened last season is gone. Everybody starts afresh. So we're just looking forward to it. But I think more so playing at home. Well, it's 2 away games. I mean, East Bengal, if someone had said to me a draw before the game, I'd have taken it. It's a very difficult place to go there, and I don't think any teams will come away with any points there. Obviously the Trout game, there was a little bit of disappointment, probably the first real disappointment I've had in my time here, from that's just been promoted, and we got ourselves in a winning position and sort of threw it away a little bit, just a couple of lapses of concentration. But then we showed the fight and desire to come back, so if we can pick up points when we go away from home, I think it still keeps us with a good shout of finishing high up. We created a lot of chances last year and we couldn't score. We were very good defensively, although this season you conceded 3 goals, which we conceded no goals at this time last season after 2 games. So obviously that's a little bit of a concern, but I think we're creating a lot of chances. We created a number of chances in the first half against Trout. So we just got to start taking them. We've got on Callum again bottom, we've got Subhash Singh, Big Das is fit again, so we've got more attacking options than what we had last year.
It's a team sport. So, but my teammates helped me out more than anything, so that's possibly the main reason why I was successful last season, and I hope to do the same this season with the same different group of guys that we have.
You have 2 more.
He's experienced in the league, both leagues. So obviously with him, and then Krizo's just a big player, man, I love to play with. He just holds the ball for us when we get going.